In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate Discord account. If your Discord account has been disabled by your own request, don't worry. In many cases, you can reactivate it quickly by signing back in before the account is permanently removed. In this tutorial, I'll show you the simple steps to restore a self-disabled Discord account and get back to using your account as normal. To begin, open Discord using the desktop app, the web version, or the mobile app. Once the sign-in screen appears, enter the email address and password associated with the disabled account. Double-check that you've entered your login information correctly, then select the Login button to continue. After signing in, Discord will recognize that your account has been disabled. Instead of taking you directly to the main interface, you'll see a page explaining that the account is currently disabled. Read the message carefully to make sure you're viewing the correct account status. On this screen, look for the Restore Account button. You'll usually find it below the option to return to the login screen. Click the Restore Account button to begin the reactivation process. This tells Discord that you want to continue using the account instead of keeping it disabled. Once you confirm the restoration, Discord will reactivate your account and sign you back in automatically. After a few moments, you'll be returned to the main Discord interface, where you can access your servers, direct messages, friends list, and account settings, just as you did before the account was disabled. If you don't see the Restore Account option, double-check that you're signing in with the correct account credentials. It's also important to remember that this process only works for accounts that were disabled by the account owner and are still within Discord's reactivation period. If the account has already been permanently deleted or disabled for another reason, the Restore Account button may not be available. After regaining access, you may want to review your account settings to confirm that everything is up to date. This includes checking your security settings, profile information, and any connected devices so you can continue using Discord with confidence. That's all there is to it. By signing into your disabled account and selecting the Restore Account option, you can quickly reactivate a self-disabled Discord account and continue using Discord without starting over. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,